Map out your next step at your own pace. Attending an open house in the early stages will give you perspective on where you want to take your college search. See for yourself how Rowan University would be a good fit for you, not only academically, but personally, professionally, and financially. Here are 4 reasons why high school sophomores should attend a Rowan University open house. Reason number 1, ease into the search process. Your junior and senior year of high school will get really busy. Attend an open house now to make it a lot easier to make your college decision later. Your future self will thank you. Reason number 2, build a plan. Get answers to your biggest questions so you can map out what your college journey will look like. Open houses are where to find out what financial aid and scholarships could be available to you so you can learn how to make college more affordable and accessible to you. Reason number 3, you have major options. Maybe you already have your heart set on a major, maybe you don't know what you want to major in. Either is fine. Attend a breakout session at an open house to listen to faculty as they represent their major. They'll share why they love what they do and what career options are available to students after graduation. Exploring options for majors early will ease your mind later. Reason number 4, get the scoop on campus culture. Learn about campus life from the students who live it. Ask the questions you want to know more about. How is college life different from high school? How do you get involved as a commuter? Meet current students who will share what it's like to live on campus, attend class, play sports, and eat in the dining halls. Ask and they'll share. Visit us. Discover a world of change. Consider allowing Rowan University to be a part of your unstoppable momentum. We'd love to see you on campus. Register for an open house today.